Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Maurice from the new movie The Amazing Maurice. So I haven't seen this movie yet, but if you've seen it, let me know what you think. Let me know if it's good or maybe if I should check it out. Alright, so to start drawing The Amazing Maurice, we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to work on the face first. So I'm going to do a little line like this and then curve under. It's going to be a rounded bottom here for the eye. And now we can do a little curve inside and another little one, and then this part is going to be all black. So next we can work on this little line for the nose coming on out. And then we're going to do like a rounded upside down triangle. And we'll have two little nostrils inside. And then we can bring this line here to the other eye. And this eye is going to be a bit bigger. It's more rounded too. We can do an inside curve. I'm going to put a little circle here up top, do another little curve, and then this part is all black. So he's kind of given like a side eye. Right here, we can bring a little line down and then do a great big smile. All right, so now we're going to work on the shape of the head. So here where we started by this eye, I'm going to come on up and over. And then do like a pointy ear. And we're going to have a pointy ear on this side too. So this shape here, this line is coming on in. Over here, we've got a bit of a cheek. I'm going to bring this down. And we're coming on out. And then inward again. This line is going to be one of the front legs. Do another little line here for the other front leg. And right here we can start on the back leg. So over here we can do a line for the back. And let's see, right here, let's bring up a line. And we're going to put a line coming down this way, right here. And now we can do another back leg right here. And now we need a great big fluffy tail. We can do a little paw, 1, 2, 3 little toes on it. And same right here, 1, 2, 3 little toes. And then bring a line here. We can have a little foot here and another little foot. And now I'm gonna put in some line strokes here to show where one color is going to be different from another color on the fur, like right here and right here. here. Now back to the face, we got to put in those eyebrows. So there's like a white line of fur above the eyes. It makes like strong eyebrows. And now we can put a little line here underneath the eye. And I'm kind of coming in and coming out again and coming in, and then bringing this line down here. And we're going to do the same over on this side. A few more just strokes of fur here and there. So he's got a great big tail. A few more strokes of fur here on that great big tail. Now here we can do the inside of the ears. So I'm doing a little triangle there and another little triangle. All right, so we're going to add a few strokes here by the paws. And now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, so we are all finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.